What's the weather out there in the streets of New York? Snowing today, huh? And oh, car crasher down there. When the snow is gone, but yes it is. So today I know it's really white. Hey, alles Fettstimmung und I really think I need a coffee. You need coffee? I think I would like a coffee. That's great. Can I like a coffee for us? That would be nice. You could also go down a second.
I got you a cinnamon mochaccino.
Today I bought you this double espresso dolce cinnamon mochaccino.
Nüsser, I got you a mochaccino with soya streusel.
Today I bought you a double espresso dolce cinnamon mochaccino.
I got you an extra sweet Zucchero Franco Smoothocino Cremato.
Today I bought you this cinnamon mochaccino decaf extra short soya latte triple.
Nüsser, I got you a Cremato extra short decaf forest flake.
Today I bought you this soya latte triple cappuccino con vanilla ice with honey milk top.
Nüsser, my old blood brother, I got you an extra short decaf mochaccino with triple turbo treble trip.
Today I bought you the soya latte triple cappuccino con vanilla ice with honey milk top and strawberry marmalade.
Nüsser, I went to Babaras and I got you a sweet extra Zucchero Franco cappuccino con vanilla ice soya extra short decaf mochaccino.
Today I bought you this latte triple cappuccino con vanilla ice with honey milk top and strawberry marmalade double espresso con cinnamon macchiato decaf extra short soya latte triple.
Hey, Nüsser, I got you a Babaras Zucchero extra cappuccino with dolce latte macchiato and soya milk cream on the top of the tip. Hippity hip.
Today I bought you the double espresso dolce cinnamon mochaccino at Babaras with decaf extra short soya latte triple cappuccino con vanilla ice with honey milk top.
Nüsser, you motherfucker! I got you a marmalade on top of a strawberry mochaccino honey with vanilla ice, latte triple soya extra short decaf mochaccino cinnamon with an extra shot of crumbled eggs.
Today I bought you this double espresso dolce cinnamon mochaccino decaf extra short soya latte triple soya latte cappuccino con vanilla ice with honey milk top and strawberry marmalade and some sugar, I think.
I don't take sugar.
Thank you, you son of a bitch.
I like Italian coffee. Me too. Just the normal ones I like so much.
Like summer sun upon my it's only sun running on my skin. It's your turn. It's turning me on. It's your turn.